नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I, JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Now, we will discuss about the topic Controlled Drug Delivery System. Drug Delivery System topics belong to the subject Novel Drug Delivery System for the B Form 7th semester. So, firstly, we discuss about the what is Controlled Drug Delivery System. This is the part of Novel Drug Delivery System. So firstly, we discuss about the what is novel drug delivery system. The aim of novel drug delivery system is to provide a therapeutic amount of drug to the appropriate site in the body to accomplish promptly and then maintain the desired drug concentration. The drug delivery system should deliver drug at a rate control by the necessary of the body over a specified term of the treatment. So, novel drug delivery system can be divided into two parts. First one is sustained release drug delivery system, and second one is controlled release drug delivery system. There are two type of controlled drug delivery system is main targeted to the novel drug delivery system. So, firstly, we discuss about the controlled release drug delivery system. So controlled release drug delivery system is main advantage is to achieve prolonged therapeutic effect as a predetermined rate. So implies predictably in the drug release kinetic and deliver the drug at predetermined rate locally or systematically. So what is the definition of controlled release drug delivery system? So drug delivery system in which maintain constant level of drug in blood and tissue in extended period of time is known as controlled release system. So delivers the drug at a predetermined rate for a specified period of time. Controlled release is perfectly zero order release, that is the drug release over time and irrespective of concentration. So, what is the main advantage of the controlled release drug delivery system? Increased bioavailability and reduction in the occurrence and badness of the untoward systemic side effect related to high blood plasma drug concentration. Sustenance of the total amount of drug administered over the dose periods. Reduction in the total amount drug administered over the period of drug treatment, which reduce occurrence of systemic and local side effect. Prevention from first pass metabolism and gastrointestinal tract degradation. So better patient compliance effect from the reduction in the number and frequency of doses needed to maintain the want therapeutic responses. Targeting the drug molecule towards the affected tissue or organ make smaller the toxicity to the normal tissue, and versatile and pH dependent system release the drug whenever the body demands, and biocompatibility. Fewer expenses are made from better disease management and achieved with the system. So this is the main advantage of the controlled release drug delivery system. So now we move to the disadvantage of controlled drug delivery system: decreased systematic availability and poor in vitro in vivo correlation. Increased risk of toxicity and retrieval of drug is difficult in case of toxicity and poisoning or hypersensitive reaction. So what is the limitation? What is the limitation of the controlled drug delivery system? Drug with half-life of 1 hour or less are difficult to be formulated as sustained release formulation. The high rate of elimination of such drugs from the body requires an highly large maintenance dose which provides 8 to 12 hours of continuous release. It is difficult to cease the therapy once after administration, maybe for reason of toxicity or any other. It may be not suitable to encompass potent drugs in such system. So this is the short introduction of controlled drug delivery system, the main part of the novel drug delivery system. Now in next session, we will discuss about the sustained drug delivery system. This is the complete session. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.